Today on Amazon Unboxing, we're going to be reviewing a product generating over $15,000 per month with only 14 reviews. You're not going to want to miss it. What's going on, everyone? I'm your host, Joel Popoff from the Jungle Market.
And I'm your host, Adam Zlotnick from Jumpsend, and you're watching Amazon Unboxing.
It's the show where we take new, everyday items sold on Amazon with high monthly revenue and low reviews, and we tear them apart to inspire you to replicate their success. So, Adam, let's jump right on into it. What are we unboxing today?
Well, Joel, today we're going to be unboxing the 24-pack of stemless champagne flutes. This product does over 700 sales per month, over $15,000 in monthly revenue, with only 14 reviews.
Adam, I think you found another incredible product on Amazon.
So, Joel, to find this product, we used the Jungle Scout web app. We set the monthly revenue high, the reviews low. We found this interesting niche. We wanted to learn more about it.
Yeah.
We realized that the opportunity is pretty good. People are making a bunch of money, so we ordered this product.
Adam, I cannot wait to unbox this. I think there might be a little bit of champagne involved when we do it. But before we do that, let's tear apart this listing.
Okay, let's go. All right, Joel, let's dive in and take a look at this listing.
Yeah.
Right away, I'm noticing the product photography. I'm not that interested in this. I'm not blown away. It's a 24-pack. I only see one glass there.
Yeah.
If I go through the rest of the photos, the same thing, but with pink champagne.
Yeah.
I see what they're trying to do here with the hands and the toasting. That's okay, but you know, this is something I would use in like my backyard party or where's the people like really enjoying the product. If you want to do lifestyle photography, there's so much opportunity here. I
completely agree, Ad. They're really underselling themselves by just having this like basic product photography. It's very high quality. Like I'm not gonna say anything bad about that. You can definitely see that they hired someone that knew what they were doing. It's not really exciting. And if it's a 24-pack, show it in its packaging. Show that there's 24. Show that value to your customers.
Definitely.
Adam, the next thing I'm looking at is their title, Stemless Champagne Flutes. I really like that keyword, but like toasting glasses, that's a little bit of a weird keyword. I would never type that in the search bar. Also, shatterproof. They're made out of plastic, so I don't know why they're putting shatterproof in their title. Kind of weird. Recyclable and BPA free. I'd probably add the word like disposable or something in there. I feel like there can definitely be a little bit of improvement to this title. What are we going to do to fix that?
To find some better keywords for this title, Joel, let's use a tool like Keyword Scout, which is part of the Jungle Scout web app.
Yeah.
To do that, we'll just put in the product's ASIN right here and do a reverse ASIN lookup.
Okay.
And what that'll do is it'll tell us what keywords this product is ranking for.
Okay.
Champagne flutes.
Nice.
So it is ranking for a good keyword, which is probably why the sales are high.
Yeah.
But maybe there's some more opportunities to rank for other words here.
Okay.
So we're going to go ahead here and put in champagne flutes now and see if we can get some keywords that we could add to this title, right? So champagne flutes, there it is again.
Yeah.
Wine glasses, potential bundle opportunity later. Plastic champagne flutes. So if we just put the word plastic right here, so stemless plastic champagne flutes, that's already going to have a high search volume.
Yeah.
We have stemless champagne flutes. They have that as well. Disposable. There's that word that you mentioned. What else do we have here?
Disposable champagne flutes.
Disposable champagne flutes. Mimosas.
Yeah.
So cocktail cups. Okay, like there's some better words that they could definitely be using.
Adam, what else can we tear down here? I think there's a couple more things.
All right, Joel, the last thing I wanted to go over in this listing was the reviews. So I noticed they got 4.5 out of 5 stars. That's a really good review score. I know there's only 14, but why do you think it's so high?
You know what, Adam? Products like this are fantastic to sell on Amazon because it's really hard to give them a bad review. They're plastic, they're disposable, people are not holding on to these products forever, and they're just throwing them out. So it's really, really easy to sell products like this. This is why products like plastic knives and forks and plates and cups and all this disposable stuff, it's just amazing to sell on Amazon and it's super cheap to produce. I think we're done with this listing, Adam. Let's head off and see what their emails look like.
Let's check it out.
Adam, I got some kind of disappointing news again.
What is it, Joel?
No emails. I didn't see a single one from this company.
Man, such a disappointment. They only had, 14 reviews?
Yep.
Yeah, so with 700 sales per month and only 14 reviews.
That's ridiculous.
Again, an easy win here for Amazon sellers. Send a couple of emails. Ask your customers to leave a review.
Yeah.
It's pretty simple.
It's not that hard to do.
No, definitely not. So in this case, I went ahead. I made an email for these guys using JumpSend.
Okay.
Here it is. Email says, "Hi Joel, I just have one question."
Love that.
Yeah, so my only question here is, how did this item meet your expectations? It's got a visual of what the product is. I'm not guessing what this email is about.
Yeah.
It's asking me to leave a review.
Yeah.
If the customer felt like they enjoyed the product, they wanted to leave some feedback, they click it right there. End of story. More reviews for you, Joel.
I love it. And you just got right to the point, super easy. People receive hundreds of emails a day, so it's like they don't have the time to just read through your massive email. Just get to the point.
Yep.
Right? How did you like your wine glasses? So how many emails should someone send?
Yeah, so normally we recommend a maximum of 3.
Okay.
Anywhere between 2 and 3 is good.
Yeah. And what types of emails?
So the first email, we usually do an introduction. You would send them some kind of extra value. We like to send them, in this case, maybe some drink recipes for their flutes.
That would have been awesome.
The second email would be a review request. It might look a little bit like this,
Yeah.
but this one is where you would send a third email. So this is kind of just like a reminder. So if you haven't left a review yet, maybe this has been a week, maybe 2 weeks later, you might get an email like this just saying, "Hey, we just have one question."
Yeah.
Right?
And it took you no time at all.
This took me like 10 minutes.
It's so easy, yet so few sellers do it.
I know.
Okay, Adam. I think we're done with this. Let's move on.
All right, guys, we've torn down the listing. We've checked out what great emails look like. Joel, tell everyone how we graded this product today.
Today we've been using our legendary scorecard. You gotta download it for free in the description below. Go check it out.
Make sure you stick around to the end where we reveal the final score that we've given this product.
Adam, it is my favorite part of the whole day. We are gonna unbox this and make some mimosas. Let's
do it.
go.
Ooh.
Woo!
Yeah, okay.
So they come each individually packed in one of these little bags. No like product inserts that I can see included.
This is the packaging. It's literally this box. That's all we got.
Really basic, really easy.
Yeah, I think there's got to be like a better way to package these that would be like nice. Imagine you just wanted to send this as a gift.
I don't know if you would really gift this though, Adam.
Yeah.
I think it's more of just like something you would have as a party, something that's just disposable. Like you don't really need to put a whole lot of work into a product like this.
Yeah, this and I kind of understand what they mean a little bit by shatterproof because I guess like I've had those really cheap plastic
that just crack.
They crack. You just squish it and they crack. This one,
they're actually like really solid plastic. Like you can't shatter it. Now I feel bad saying why did they have shatterproof in their title? I totally get it now.
Yeah.
They should have non-shatterproof.
I probably wouldn't put this in the dishwasher, but I think you could even reuse this. Like it doesn't have
Totally actually. You're right.
Yeah.
So that's about it for the product. There's not a whole lot to say about it.
Yeah.
I'm really thirsty though.
Yeah, me too, Joel.
How do you feel about getting some mimosas started?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's go make some mimosas.
Let's do it. All right, guys, we're here. We've got some mimosas. We've tallied up the final score. Joel, tell them what they got.
Out of 150 potential points, this product got a 98, which is a score of 65%. Lost some very, very easy points today. Adam, tell them why they lost some points.
So we really thought the product photography could have used some improvement. We wanted lifestyle photos. We wanted to see the product bundled together. The other thing was they could have had some better keywords. We thought the title could be improved. And of course, they lose big points when they don't send emails because we really know that those help get reviews. So we need to see those to give them more points. Joel, we did really like this product.
Yeah.
What did you think?
Adam, this product was overall like really, really great. It was much more higher quality than we actually thought it would be. I understand why they have really great reviews.
Yeah.
The listing, it overall looked pretty darn good, but just those really simple things made them lose some points today.
Yeah.
We want to thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Amazon Unboxing. If you haven't already, check out the Jungle Market. We have pre-vetted Amazon freelancers that are waiting to help you build your Amazon business and help you do all that really tough work that comes with building an Amazon business. Check out junglemarket.com.
And don't forget to go to jumpsend.com, send better emails to your Amazon customers, and you can also promote your product to over 100,000 ready-to-purchase shoppers on our deals marketplace. We hope this episode of Amazon Unboxing has inspired you to start selling on Amazon. Don't forget to download the scorecard in the description below.
If you enjoyed today's episode, smash that like button, subscribe if you're not already, and we will see you in the next episode. Cheers,
Cheers, Joel.